Hey, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you top iOS 14 features, and if you are facing any issue with iOS 14, how you can fix this. So Apple released official iOS 14 on 16th of September and it comes with a lot of features. iOS 14 adds a new app library view for organizing all of your apps. Apps are automatically organized in the app library, and you don't have to keep all of the icons on the actual home screen view. There is also a new list view as well as features for sorting application based on usage and more. iOS 14 also provides supports for picture-in-picture, works very similar to the iPad experience. Meanwhile, Siri has a new interface that does not overtake the entire screen. A new Translate app in iOS 14 is designed for conversation and works completely offline. All you have to do is tap on the microphone icon and the app will translate to your chosen language. iOS 14 has also added the widgets. You can add them on the home screen. Widget comes in multiple sizes and are available for both first-party and third-party apps. More than one widget can be placed on the same home screen page, and multiple widgets of the same size can be stacked to save space. And a new home screen enhancement in iOS 14 allows users to outright hide pages on the home screen, effectively hiding all of the apps on those pages. But since it's a new OS, it can sometimes land you into a trouble like boot loop, file updating, or your phone may get stuck into recovery mode. So in this video I will show you how to get rid of these issues. Before going ahead, let me introduce you an ongoing offer on Wondershare Dr. Phone site by the name of Dr. Phone Worry Free iOS Update Plan, which will help you if you get stuck while updating your iOS device. The link of the contest is mentioned in the description below, and you have also a chance to win a brand new iPhone 12. You just have to vote your answer, enter your email address, and then submit your answer. You will also get 40% off on the Dr. Phone System Repair tool. It can update your iOS device to iOS 14 easily. You can fix iOS 14 system errors like black screen of death recovery mode, white Apple logo boot loop, etc. You can also use it to downgrade from iOS 14 to iOS 13 easily, but keep in mind that you can do it till a specific date only, as Apple stops signing the older iOS software after 14 days of the launch of the new iOS software. So if you are facing such issues, you can download Wondershare Dr. Phone System Repair. It can help you to get out of some really tricky situation on your phone. The link of the app is available in the video description. You can also use Dr. Phone for various tasks like phone backup, switch data between devices, WhatsApp data transfer, unlocking your phone, and finally for repairing software issues. So when you select System Repair, you are welcomed with some repair options. On the left panel, there is an option for iOS and Android. We will select iOS System Repair for now, and you have two choices for repair. One is Standard Mode, which can solve most of the issues and will retain your data. And if Standard Method fails, you can use Advanced Method, but it will erase your data, so I will select Standard Method for now. This screen shows how to put your phone into recovery mode to make it ready for repair process. Different iOS devices have different methods, so make sure you follow the right instructions as per your device. Once your device is connected to the PC using the USB cable and you follow the on-screen instruction, your phone will boot into DFU mode or recovery mode. And the software will go ahead to the next step automatically. On this screen, the app will verify your iPhone model and your iOS software it's running on. With this method, you can update the iOS version to iOS 14. Also, you can fix iOS 14 issues like your device stuck on update screen, Apple logo, or in recovery mode. If you don't like iOS 14, you can also downgrade your iPhone from iOS 14 to iOS 13. The software will need to download the complete iOS version in order to repair your phone. The software can automatically download the required firmware if you click the Start button, and if you have already downloaded the file, you can locate it manually and go ahead with the repair process. Here it will take some time to download. The iOS firmware is large file, so it may take few minutes to download. It will depend on your internet speed. After downloading, it will verify the firmware and it will start the repairing process. It may take few minutes. So the process is complete and now your phone will boot to the home screen. So in this way you can repair your iOS device by yourself. You don't need to visit the service center for such small issues. You can download the app from Wondershare Dr. Phone site, so the link is available in the video description. If you have any doubts regarding the Dr. Phone app, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates on our new video. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.